Can I tell you blind or overseas? I fly overseas frequently. I cannot, and I repeat, I cannot do it because the father of my kids, it's on the Anabri certificate. They want his signature. It's impossible to get the signature. Because there's nothing, it's not child friendly. Up until they turn 16, that's when they will go Orkante. Or all college, try to Bereka, and then road one. Mara, sorry, little demor, never overseas. Nasur Kapalua, Kenal Chelet, au Conal. Kimola was South Africa. Lusatun de Melama Seba. The Melaga certificate, that's all. To look to Laga overseas. Nara overseas. I never can go overseas now, Bona, and get $. It's in getting rents. I'm a fan of my toll, Montana. You know, like arena. We cannot. Asur arena. It's not like we don't have. We have $. We have. I don't know overseas Lebanon. It's almost 100,000. I don't know kapalwa. I don't It's impossible. Libitola papa banabaka. The most DVKT. Oh, hi. I go to one hunch. Yeah, we will say another high Debbie. Sakai, club holy assign the mood. If you talk about a pot of Banyaga signature high, we have Banyaga David Timothy Mamu, Ganos appeal. Thomas Amander, Dino Zamovilisana Lena, Urbanaba Kunufly. Get a decide, Takanaquaka, or get ready for Nalpapa Banabaka receive. Kanaquaka. Lohonogum Karake. Kano Changani. Idiots. Nalang toilets. Tagali, Naman, Footek. I take my child overseas. Lohana got with someone at Singapore. When I did Disneyland to go to Paris. Is someone at Disneyland? It dream next day. It's guys, Okara and Gayaku Mafas Kailul loud. Kalla. What's all like a look pale relation? Manaka. Disneyland, the Kalakopala saying. What's I got maybe can get better than no one. Kakanta de Velaverga on a molamo with the countering. Arsawa sister, I come to Singapore to Segapil. I'm remove Mizonia. Christmas, New Year, birthday. Hey, ha. The two Sagur. Signature. Most difficult. Banabagalanya ice cream. No go by Zanzibar for ice cream. Okay. So second time na masepa. Rabon for one now, Naliana full time, utana guys polo, uja in free chow, it lets young, or patella school fees. When I Steve kids out, it's a guy who graduate ilakai, look at the masepa. And then but what's it? Everything was saying people who see their kids at part time, get one about the maths, literacy, LO, Bawanamba, the period. Helena Robonabana, particularly the best mom. I get to live million this thing. I get not quite get trial, okay? Retries, but whatever one every day. So no dinner because we see them every day. Mothers will tell you how sometimes we just need our me time, you know? Because it's good morning, mom, good night, mom, good day, mom, I need this. It's mom. Every time it's mom. We learn every single parent to us. There's no dad. So it's mom. So Larry Radilo, Shem, who normal? Cause Bajarina, Bapararina, everything. I don't know to Artusan. Urtusagi had Bazolo, Ditenga Muntu Mara. Still, Kinna, primary. One time. Mom. One time. So Bali. But no matter excuse me, 3 to 4 months, or babona equal, which happens quarterly, because most of them what's somebody for 4 terms. Hey baba bona ko re la montsha konkodi o poster or o montsha konkodi ha mo phunla phatla or bontsha mo phunla phatla ha mapesa ha mo fa ditlhako o shootha o mo fa ditlhako.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Dineo Moloisane Spitfire ngemva kokuthi abe ku live lapha ku Instagram umaka live bantu bambude kokuthi kungani angayisi bantu abakhe overseas, why makakhipha abantu abakhe for ma vacations bahlala bala South Africa, but yena uyakhona ukuthi aye overseas yedwane wayebantu abakhe angahambi nabo. Hey, wakwata wakana lunabo ke uDeneo and said ukuthi hayi ukuthi akahambi nebantu abakhe ngoba kanamali o ngoba mhlawumbe ubroke unemali kabi yena uze wakhipha sijumba semali lapho wasibeka embedeni wasikhomba wathi these are dollars and close to 100,000. Ngacabanga ukuthi anginama just because angisibantu abam overseas. Washo nokuthi the reason why angahambi nabantu abakhe kukuthi titifiketi tebantu abakhe tinemagama ex baby dad ne. So apparently uma certificate semntwana sinemagama baby daddy, you can't fly with that kid uye overseas ngaphandle kokuthi loyo baby daddy afika tosayina badzinga signature ya baby daddy. And because yena na baby daddy bahlukana plus akamada baby daddy wakhona ukuthi yombuka athi umtholaphi, that's why angafly nebantu abakhe. But it's something la phezu kwayo leyo kokuthi ayilungise ade khona ukuthi afly nebantu abakhe. Uthi ngicabanga ukuthi akanamali uthi unemali, uthi once kwalunga lokhu bantu abakhe bahambisa baye overseas ngisho bathi bafuna ice cream bathi uhamba baye Disneyland. So like she was so fuming nkosi yami. Sakuthi uDeneo ayakathanzi futhi nje ukuthi bantu bakhuluma ngebantu abakhe. Manje ufuna kumthinza Deneo speak about her kids, utokukhomba utokutshela where to get off kesana. So she was fuming. Washo nje ukuthi bantu abayekele kumbuta yena, she's a single mama, uyatibonela bantu abakhe and akafuni bantu bacinga ukuthi akanamali, unemali. Uthi ngiyakhona nje kubendela into eningi lapha efunako nginemali. Just nje into lengihluphako ukuthi kudzingeka i-signature ya baby daddy makumele mina nebantu abami sithi short left. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.